We wait on you. We wait on you, Holy One, Holy One. In the silence of this moment, we lay down every crown. All our worries fade like shadows when your glory comes around. We are empty, we are hungry, only you can satisfy. Let the noise of life be quiet as we lift our hearts on high. We don't come with perfect answers. We don't come with words so strong. Only hearts that need your presence. Only souls that still belong. Holy presence, fill this place. Let your mercy break through shame. We are standing, we are waiting, just to hear you call our name. Holy presence, have your way. Let revival start today. We are lifted, we are changed in the power of your name. Every burden turns to ashes in the fire of your love. Every broken part is mended when we look to you above. There is healing in your whisper. There is freedom in your light. Every chain begins to tremble when you enter in the night. We don't come with perfect answers. We don't come with words so strong. Only hearts that need your presence. Only souls that still belong. Holy presence, fill this place. Let your mercy break through shame. We are standing, we are waiting, just to hear you call our name. Holy presence, have your way, let revival start today. We are lifted, we are changed in the power of your name. Come and rest upon us, Spirit, breathe again. Let the heavens open, let the healing begin. We surrender